My name is Santram. I am from Musafir Khana. My topic is India via Bharat.
India is rightly known as the land of spices.
India is situated in Asia continents.
Bharat is the best India.
Hockey is the national game of India.
There are many Ayurvedacharyas in India, but some of them Charak, Susrat, Dhanvantari each.
Hindu is the largest religion of India at 80%.
There is great Indian history. Here we describe about Indian history. It is divided into three parts: ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. The ancient history started 10,000s.
India is only one producer of the saffron in the world.
India is 13 times bigger than UK in terms of area.
Bharat is best uniform.
India won the 69 medals at Asian Games in 2018.
Bhagwan Dhanvantari is known the god of Ayurveda in India.
Jan Gan Man written by Rabindranath Tagore.
In 3000 to 15,000s, it is called the era of Sindhu Ghati Sabhyata.
Everyone are aware of the popularity of Indian food.
There are 9 coastal zones in India.
Bharat is a best language.
India is the land of festivals.
Charak was a famous physician in India in Ayurveda.
Jan Gan Man accepted at national anthem in India 24 January 1950.
In 1500 BC to 1000 BC is called the Vedic Yuga, Vedic era.
Indian food has 5 different flavors. These are like sweets, salty, bitter, sour, and spicy.
The highest population in this time is India.
The best of Prime Minister of India.
Mahabharata is the great epic of India.
Susrat is the famous surgeon in India.
Bande Mataram is a national song of India written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
In 16 BC is very famous in India. It has come to religion to India. It gave message to all the words for peace and spiritual knowledge and sadhana.
Indian snacks are incomplete without sauce, known as chutney.
India formed by 46 metropolitan cities.
Bharat is based in village.
India's great scientist C.V. Raman was discovery in Raman effect in 1928.
Nagarjun was a famous chemist in India in Ayurveda.
India has 22 official languages.
In 322 BC is famous in Indian history. It comes a new dynasty who is invited to India, that is called Maurya dynasty.
Sweets are the most important part of Indian celebrations.
India is made up of 28 states and 8 UT.
Bharat is a best temple.
Ganga River is also known as the Bhagirathi in India.
Charak Sanhita, Susrat Sanhita, Bhaisyaji Ratnavali are the books of Ayurveda who gives us very knowledge.
According to area, 7th largest country of India in world.
In 1507 is famous for in Indian history. It started a Sambat that is called Vikrami Sambat.
Payasam is the very famous and popular sweet dishes of South India.
India's international telephone number code is +91.
Bharat is best temple.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India.
There are many botanical plants in Ayurveda. Then Giloy, Amrita improves our immunity of human body.
The total area of India 32,87,263 square kilometer.
In 1778, a new Samvatar started that is called Sak Samvat.
Indian food system are classified in 3 categories known as Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic.
India has many coastlines.
Bharat is the best scientist.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the first president of Bharat.
Tulsi Amla Giloy is known in Ayurveda as a Rasayan, so we can improve our health by these fruits or plants.
According to area, Rajasthan is the largest state of India.
In 335 is famous in Indian history. It is great history of India. The dynasty comes, Gupta dynasty. The famous ruler comes that is called Samudragupta, the Napoleon of India.
The popular drink, local drink of India is the tea known as chai.
The Ganga is the longest river of India.
The famous of Purlangi.
Peacock is the national bird of India.
There are a plant of Harsingar. It improves the bath yoga.
14 September 1949 accepted language Hindi in our India.
In 1027, a great shock to India, or that's a inventor comes Mahmud Ghaznavi to India.
The national food of India is the khichdi.
India situated the north side of the equator